Burp Suite is a comprehensive suite of tools for web application security testing. Download the Burp Suite Professional installer from the Portswigger website. Run the downloaded installer and follow the installation prompts. After installation, open Burp Suite Professional and enter your license key to activate it for the professional version. Now let's explore each feature of this quickly. Proxy intercepts and modifies web traffic between the browser and server. Spider automatically crawls web applications to discover content and functionality. Scanner identifies security vulnerabilities in web applications. Compare highlights differences between pairs of data. Decoder converts data between various formats. Collaborator finds vulnerabilities involving external service interactions. Intruder performs automated customized attacks against web applications. Repeater manually modifies and replays individual HTTP requests. Sequencer analyzes the randomness of session tokens. Extender allows users to extend Burp's functionality with custom extensions.